China just launched an AI tool so powerful that it sent shockwaves through the US market, wiping out $1 trillion in stocks on its very first day. This isn't just another AI. DeepSeek is an open AI competitor that could push ChatGPT to the edge. What makes DeepSeek different? How is it influencing the US market? And could this be the start of a major shift in the AI industry? In this video, we are diving deep into this groundbreaking AI, comparing it to the ChatGPT and uncovering what this means for the future of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Did you know that the US banned Nvidia from selling its top AI chips to China? But that hasn't stopped China from fighting back with its own AI powerhouse, DeepSeek. It's cheaper than ChatGPT, offers surprisingly strong performance, and is already shaking up the tech world. But is it really better? And how has it impacted US stocks? Let's break it all down. The US government restricted the sale of Nvidia's high-end AI chips like the A100 and H100 to China, fearing they could be used for military applications and advanced AI development. These chips are essential for training powerful AI models, and without them, China's AI progress could slow down, or so the US thought. Instead, China has responded by developing its own AI models, and one of the biggest names right now is DeepSeek, a direct competitor to OpenAI's ChatGPT. One of the biggest reasons DeepSeek is making waves is its pricing. Unlike OpenAI's ChatGPT 4, which requires a paid subscription for full access, DeepSeek offers a free plan with advanced features. DeepSeek is aggressively undercutting OpenAI by offering longer context windows for free, making it attractive for users who don't want to pay for AI services. The rise of DeepSeek and other Chinese AI models has already impacted US tech stocks. You will be amazed when you came to know that the budget of O1 version of ChatGPT was $100 million. That is a big amount. But on other side, DeepSeek, which offers free services to every user, have a budget of only $5.6 million. That makes a huge difference. DeepSeek and ChatGPT have some key differences. First, cost. DeepSeek is far more affordable, making it accessible to startups and small businesses. Second, accessibility. DeepSeek's free plan is robust, while ChatGPT's free tier is limited. Third, customization. DeepSeek allows users to fine-tune its models for specific needs, unlike ChatGPT's more rigid structure. And finally, speed. DeepSeek is optimized for faster responses, making it ideal for real-time applications. DeepSeek's standout features include high-speed processing for real-time tasks, multilingual support in over 50 languages, and customizable models tailored to specific industries. It's also highly cost-efficient, offering premium AI at a fraction of the cost, and scalable, making it perfect for businesses of all sizes. When it comes to speed and accuracy, DeepSeek is giving ChatGPT a run for its money. DeepSeek's optimized algorithm allow it to deliver faster responses while maintaining a high accuracy rate. In some benchmarks, DeepSeek even outperforms ChatGPT, especially in tasks requiring a real-time data processing and multilingual support. DeepSeek is also a strong advocate for open source AI. It actively contributes to the AI community by releasing tools, libraries, and research papers. This is not only fosters innovation but also builds trust among developers and businesses who want transparency in AI technologies. Another major advantage of DeepSeek is its energy efficiency. Unlike many AI models that require massive computational power, DeepSeek is designed to minimize energy consumption. This makes it an environmentally friendly choice for businesses looking to reduce their carbon footprint. DeepSeek is built with developers in mind. It offers a suite of developer-friendly tools including easy-to-use APIs, comprehensive documentation, and pre-built templates. This makes it simple for developers to integrate DeepSeek into their applications and workflows. DeepSeek is committed to ethical AI practices. It prioritizes fairness, transparency, and accountability in its algorithm, ensuring that its AI solutions are free from bias and discrimination. This ethical approach sets it apart from many competitors in the industry. DeepSeek takes a community-driven approach. It actively engages with its users, gathering feedback and incorporating it into future updates. This collaborative model ensures that DeepSeek evolves to meet the needs of its diverse user base. DeepSeek isn't just a theoretical marvel, it's making a real world impact. From healthcare, where it's helping doctors analyze medical data faster, to finance, where it's optimizing trading algorithms. DeepSeek is transforming industries. It's also being used in education to create personalized learning experiences and in customer service to provide instant, accurate responses. Security is a top priority for DeepSeek. It uses advanced encryption and secure servers to protect user data, ensuring that sensitive information is always safe. This makes DeepSeek a trusted choice for industries like healthcare and finance, where data security is critical. DeepSeek has formed strategic partnerships with leading tech companies, universities, and research institutions. These collaborations help DeepSeek stay at the forefront of AI innovation and ensure that its solutions are always cutting edge. DeepSeek is also committed to education. It offers free resources, tutorials, and workshops to help students and educators learn about AI. By democratizing AI knowledge, DeepSeek is empowering the next generation of innovators. Looking ahead, DeepSeek has an ambitious roadmap. Plans include expanding its multilingual capabilities, launching new industry-specific models, and integrating with more platforms. DeepSeek is also exploring quantum computing to push the boundaries of AI even further. What do you think about DeepSeek? Is it a real threat to ChatGPT and US AI dominance? Let me know in comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI breakdowns. See you in the next video.